That looks fantastic, Cora. This is my daughter marbling. She's just enjoying herself with loads of circles. One circle at a time. So she's put circles within circles to create these little circles all mounting up. So one drop in each colour. She's just touching the surface, which is perfect because you don't need much paint. Very little paint, in fact. That's plenty of paint. And now she's going to play. And she's going to do some flowers as well, it looks like. Whoa, and some hearts. So a heart's straight through a circle. So simple. And that looks fantastic. So in goes some cotton, 100% white cotton. It's going to pick up the paint.
Thank you.
Looks fantastic. So there we have a beauty. Probably better than mine. Awesome. Well done.